sagging lights above. Desert twilight calls for a kind of love. Cardboard faces stare. Two by two they stand, singing to the air in this barren land. We practiced every note for a crowd we knew would fade. Our painted lips would float, but we sang anyway, unafraid. Humming, ooh, ooh, humming, ooh, ooh. Our voices rise and fall, ooh, ooh, answering the call. Ooh, ooh. This pool's a wooden church tonight, bathed in fading light. The shallow end reflects a single microphone. Dust motes dance and collect. We sing for the unknown. Our hymns begin to rustle as the wind begins to blow. A gentle, holy hustle where the lost souls go. We practiced every note for a crowd we knew would fade. Our painted lips would float, but we sang anyway, unafraid. Humming, ooh, ooh. Our voices rise and fall, ooh, ooh, answering the call. Ooh, ooh. This pool's a wooden church tonight, bathed in fading light. One voice warm and cracked whispers a sweet prayer. No turning back, just the dust and air.